Hello and welcome to Campus News brought to you by VU TV. A lot has happened over the course of a week, which is why we are here to bring you all the fresh updates. But before we do that, let's begin by acknowledging that the spirit of humanity this week has stood tall over everything else. On that note, let's begin with the Campus News. Amid the COVID-19 surge in the country, states like Bihar, Maharashtra, Manipur, and Nagaland have declared summer vacations for their schools, colleges, and institutions across the states. From cybersecurity to business sales, mid-sized startups and companies across different sectors have informed B-School placement cells that internship programs for now have to be put on hold. And in fact, even the ones who are already hired will not be paid their stipend due to the COVID-19 situation. Following the earthquake that happened in Assam on Wednesday, experts from IIT Guwahati have proposed seismic microzonation of urban areas and earthquake-resistant design to be strictly enforced in these areas. Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati has signed a special memorandum of understanding with US-based Mehta Family Foundation to set up Mehta Family School of Data Science and Artificial Intelligence at IIT Guwahati. Delhi government, in collaboration with DTU, has come up with a brand new initiative of Lab on Wheels. It's a mobile, modern classroom setup equipped with resources like laptops, PCs, Wi-Fi, smartphones, and much more. Now, this initiative is for students hailing from rural and backward areas who cannot afford these aforementioned resources, thereby making it convenient for these students to attend their online classes. We had informed you earlier as to how different states had either put their examination forth or cancelled their board examinations for students, but Andhra Pradesh government has decided to go against the grain by conducting their intermediate class 12 examinations starting from 5th May. In fact, about 10 lakh students are all set to appear in more than 1,400 examination centers across the state. Students and their parents have expressed their discontent and concerns to the government. We started off by saying that the spirit of humanity this week has stood tall over everything else, and we have some pictures to prove just that, where we can see several individuals working tenaciously for their fellow beings in these harsh times. Let's take a look. Firstly, we have a picture by Dr. Sohil Makwana, who, as he uploaded this picture on the internet world was bowled over. As you can see in the picture, Dr. Makwana is drenched in sweat as a result of wearing PPE and working tirelessly in sweltering temperatures. Now, secondly, we have a picture of an auto rickshaw driver standing beside his auto. What's so special about this, you might wonder? Well, let me tell you that this auto rickshaw driver is actually a teacher from Mumbai. You heard that right. Now, currently, he's ferrying COVID-19 patients around him for free of cost. Next up, we have a picture featuring one Miss Miriam Phillips, a worker at Infosys, also a home baker who's currently volunteering at Didi's Kitchen. And in this particular picture, she can be seen baking chocolate chip cookies and other delicacies for the COVID-19 patients. Now, there are many such individuals like the ones we mentioned who are playing their part regardless of the magnitude of their work, upholding the spirit of humanity that we spoke of. And through this episode of the Campus News, we'd like to express our heartfelt gratitude and we'd like to salute to their indomitable spirit. And on that note, we come to an end of this week's episode of the Campus News brought to you by VU TV. If you like this video, hit the like button, share this video with all your friends, let them know as to what's happening around them. And of course, subscribe to our channel VU TV by Vijay Bhumi on YouTube. I'll see you next week. Until then, stay safe, mask up, and take care.